It's
almost.
kind of like that. It's like when you have cataracts.
Gotcha.
Everything looks like a stochastic oscillator to you.
The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show. Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, March 18th, 2025. And you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, Asia-Pacific stocks rose following Wall Street's gains with limited other catalysts. Israel's military struck Hamas targets in Gaza, escalating tensions. European futures indicated a positive start, while the DXY remained steady, and the euro returned to the 1.09 level. Reports suggested the Trump administration might recognize Crimea as Russian territory. Key upcoming events include economic data from Germany, Canada, the US, and Japan, as well as a Trump-Putin call and speeches by ECB's Escriva and Nvidia's CEO Huang. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you found this helpful.
Let's start with currency pairs. This is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. We are in a downtrend. We are in the zone and we are waiting for a short sweet spot to form. Here's the Aussie US dollar in the zone, uptrend, waiting for a long sweet spot to form. We are looking here at the Euro Canadian dollar. This is still oversold, which is crazy, or hyperextended, which is crazy because it's been that way for days, but I guess we'll have to wait. Same with the pound Canadian dollar, overextended for several days. The New Zealand US dollar, nothing going on there. We're going to skip that. Singapore dollar, Swiss franc, we are in the zone, waiting for a short sweet spot to form. US Canadian dollar, skip it, nothing going on. US Swiss franc in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot to form.
Right.
All right, so now back to basics section. We are going to talk about stochastic oscillators today, Dave. Have you ever heard of these?
No, isn't that when you look in the light and see all the pretty colors? Isn't that one
Yeah,
of
it's
those?
kind of like that. It's like when you have cataracts, you need that. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Everything looks like a stochastic oscillator to you. It's like one of the first ones I ever played with when I first started trading. Primarily, it's like a thermometer of determining a price direction, if that makes
Hmm.
sense.
Okay.
So it's like, is price going up or is price going down? It's calculated by looking at the current price and comparing it to recent high and low prices. But the easiest way to look at it is you got a zero down here
Hmm.
and
See
you
that?
got 100 up here.
Okay.
And if it drops below this 20 line, that usually means prices are going down. Drop below 20, so then you got this going on. And then it's the opposite for the other side. If you have price is here above the 80 mark, then usually prices are rising. And that's typically how it's used. Now, one of the other things that you kind of pay attention, use this crossing of the lines. See, there's a green line and there's a red line. Where the green line drops below the red line, prices start to drop here down to the bottom. I found it's just easier to just use the 80-20. If both these lines drop below that, that usually means the prices are starting to drop. And the same in reverse for the 20 line moving to the upside. Just an indicator of identifying turning points in the marketplace. Like any of these other ones, you kind of want to combine them with something else to make sure that it's right, because you can get a lot of false signals with this. Yeah, like all oscillators, they're just a tool, and you just got to use them to the best of your abilities. Okay?
Interesting.
All right. That is all I have today, Chief.
All right.
Have a good one. Good luck trading.